Hey guys, just a really quick intro before we get going over here at Creation Station. I just have a few notes I want to go over. We're going to be making a moisturizing beard oil today, and it is a dupe of Jack Black's beard oil. Jack Black has some really nice products for men, you guys. But a couple of friends of mine, Nick and Jason, they use their products quite a bit. And asked me to make a couple of dupes for them. So that's what we're gonna do. Today is gonna be the beard oil. So I did a whole bunch of research, as I always do. I'm looking at my notes here because I don't wanna forget anything. And so I studied all the ingredients on some of these beard oils. So as recommended by Esquire magazine, I researched the following manufacturers of men's products. So there was Bevel, there was Jack Black, of course, Duke Cannon, Vaughn, Scotch Pine, STMNT, Grooming Goods, Murdoch London, Billy Jealousy, Baxter of California, Solo Noir, Kiehl's, Tom Ford, Le Labo, Goodfellow and Company, Beard Brand, Evan Alexander, and Cremo. So those were the ones that I studied. I went into all of those. I looked at all of their beard oils, looked at any similarities between them, and studied their ingredient lists so that I could come up with just the right amounts of the ingredients. Now I am going to do the dupe of Jack Black. So the majority of the ingredients we're using today are going to be the same ingredients that are in the Jack Black beard oil. I've substituted, I think, 2 of them, and I left out one of them completely, one of the ingredients completely. But I just wanted to make sure that we have exactly the right amounts of the ingredients, and we're all working with the same type of ingredients that were similar throughout all of these brands, because we don't want the beard oil to be like too thick or rich or heavy. A beard oil should be really light and nourishing. Now, according to a lot of other videos that I have watched with beard experts, I don't have a beard, but I wish that I did so I could try these products out. But anyways, how you use a beard oil, first of all, you shouldn't really use more than 5 drops. That should be enough, depending on the length and the density of the beard. Like if you have a really long beard and it's really thick and bushy, you can use more than 5, but try not to use more than 5, because you don't want it to be like heavy and greasy feeling and shiny looking, you know, the refractive index of all of these oils. We don't want to be shining when we're going out in public. So how you do it is you actually start underneath your neck, because the sebum and the natural oils in your skin are coming out of your skin and going into your beard. So we want to start there underneath the neck and start massaging the skin and then work that into your beard. Let's see, I just want to make sure I'm not leaving anything out. If your beard feels really greasy or oily after you've applied your beard oil, you're using too much, okay? So start off really low. Like I would start off with maybe 3 drops and then work up to the 5 drops. You should not have a shiny, glossy look after you have used your beard oil. It should just, you know, look nice and hydrated and soft. Okay, those are the notes that I had as far as the beard oil is concerned. Now let's go over to Creation Station and get crack-a-lackin'. Okay, here we are. We're ready to get going now on making this beard oil. There's a lot of ingredients. There's a lot, but remember, this is a dupe, okay? So I tried to include every single ingredient that I found in the Jack Black beard oil. So that's why there's a lot of ingredients, but it's really gonna be so simple. It's just a matter of dumping all of your oils in, mixing it up, and with the exception of the shea butter in a very small amount, that's the only ingredient that you need to melt. Everything else is just measuring it out, pour, mix, you're done. So let's get started, shall we? Let's go ahead and get this on here, and we're going to start out with cyclopentasiloxane. And this is, it creates a smooth, silky texture and feel on your hair. So this is the largest amount. So we're gonna go ahead and get this in here. Let me see what my measurements are. Okay, here we go. Next up, we have hemi-squalane. And this is not the same as regular squalane. The difference is that this is, the hemi-squalane is more lightweight than squalane. Okay. And I'm going to put the recipe in a recipe card up here towards the end of the video, you guys. Okay, next comes our ethyl hexyl olivate. This is a lightweight emollient, which imparts a non-greasy feel. Let me just get my measurements, okay. I will go ahead and let you guys know where I purchased all of my ingredients. I'm gonna put this recipe in a PDF file. It will be available up on my Patreon. You guys will get the recipe here for free on the channel. But if you want the PDF download, just head on over to Patreon and it'll be available there for you. As well as like, I think 80 plus recipes at this point for $5.50. It's a great deal. Go check it out. All right, after the ethyl hexyl olivate, we're going to be putting in jojoba esters 15. This is not jojoba oil. The jojoba esters have gone through an esterification process to like rearrange the fatty acid profile. So this is not the same as jojoba oil. This I can tell you that I got from Lotion Crafters. It's jojoba esters 15. Okay. Okay, after the jojoba esters 15, we're going to be adding some C1215 alkyl benzoate. Okay, moving on, we're going to be putting in some grapeseed oil. Next, we're going to be putting in some caprylic capric triglycerides. This one I can pour, it's a little bit of a higher amount. Next, we're putting in some argan oil. Next, we're putting in some metafoam seed oil. Followed by some golden jojoba oil. Again, this is not the same as the jojoba esters 15. This is different. This is the actual jojoba oil, which is actually a wax. Next, we're going to be putting in a product called EcoSil, and this is going to replace cyclopentasiloxane and dimethicone. So this is called EcoSil. Next, we're putting in some Abyssinian oil. And this is one of the oils that I replaced in Jack Black's formula. They have rice bran oil. I'm replacing it with Abyssinian because it's better for the skin. I mean, rice bran oil is really nice too. I love using rice bran oil in soaps, but not necessarily in skincare products. Okay, we're putting in a very, very tiny amount of shea butter. Give this a stir at this point. All right, after the shea butter, we are going to be putting in some plum seed oil, and I'm using this instead of the watermelon seed oil that Jack Black has included in their formula. Let's see what my percentage is. Okay. All right, next we have some vitamin E. This is your antioxidant. Now we're going to put in some extracts. The first one is going to be rosemary extract that I made myself. Very tiny little amount, you guys. Next, we're going to be putting in some aloe vera extract. Followed by our scent, which I'm going to be doing rosemary and sage. And that's it, you guys. That's it. It's really just measure, mix, and then you pour it into your vessel and you're done. All right, let's give this a good stir. Okay, and that's it. We've stirred that for our 2 minutes. All that's left to do now is just to go ahead and put that in our little bottle here with our dropper. There you go. There's a beautiful beard oil. Let's take our gloves off and just try a little bit to see what it feels like on our skin, even though there's no real hair on my forearm. So let's just do the 5 drops. Like I said, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And like I said, you shouldn't really use more than 5, okay? 5 should be plenty. Wow, this is really sinking in already. Nice, good. This is perfect, exactly what I wanted. I am not seeing any shine on there, but ever so slight, maybe. But again, this is not my, you know, I don't have hair, right? This is just my skin, but man, does that feel good. Oh, I might just use this on my skin as like a body oil. Oh, it smells nice too. All right, you guys, there you go. There's our wonderful beard oil that we just made. This is a dupe of the Jack Black beard oil. Again, I'm gonna put the recipe card up right now. And then if you would like the PDF downloadable file, just head on over to Patreon and you can get it over there. If you did enjoy this video and what we did here today, why don't you consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, make a comment down below, share it with anybody that you think could benefit from it. And until we meet again, you guys, take care of yourselves, be humble, and let's give a shout out to my shout out tier level members on Patreon.